Please click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon to get the latest notifications.
Hello everyone, it's me JB from Unique Tutorials. As we all know that in day-to-day daily life, while using our computer and browsing internet, using our various web browsers, sometimes what happens that some informations we see in the websites catches our attractions and we thought of saving it, but unfortunately it becomes very difficult for us to save it for a lifetime and access them while using different devices. So, to overcome these difficulties, I'm going to show what's the best way to save any article or informations of any websites and later access them again. So let's begin. Suppose while browsing through our web browser, say one article got an attraction to you. Suppose say this one. So you want to save this entire page and later access them for your future use. So most probably what you need to do is by right clicking the page and clicking this save to pocket, it will be saved automatically. But if you are new and don't know what this software is for, so this software you are seeing here at the right top corner, this software name as Pockets. So first of all you need to create an account by going to its website. So let me show you. As I have already owned an account on this software named Pocket, you can see here this is my account which I have saved from various years, different days, from various websites, whatever it may be. But it will be saved in one account and you can later access them whenever you need it by using different devices. So if you're new, so what you need to do is when you first log into this website getpocket.com, you will see the option of how you can log in. You can log in using your Apple ID account, or you can use your Google, that is the Gmail accounts or the Google accounts. You can continue using with your Firefox browsers, or you can sign up if you don't want to use the ever given options. So once you signed up, just click on the login, and if you have logged in with the given these three options, then you can just click on the respective options, and if not, then just put your username or email and password and click on login. Once you log in, After you log in, you will see the pages which I have shown you as before. So in this way you can save various articles very easily and access them from any devices whenever you need them. I hope it will help you a lot if you are fond of saving articles and want to access them again in near future. I hope you like this video, and please do support our channel by subscribing our channel, and lastly, thanks for watching.